Very good evening, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. Today, 27th January 2022. So, I will show you the performance of our MST iCore 2.0 ATS version. Before I continue showing you the performance of today, as per our indicator, if you are new to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, please join our Telegram group for free updates. Okay, now coming back to our performance. So now what you all know that how to use our indicator. If you are new, once again I start from the scratch. So what do? You go to any browser and type tradingview.com. Secondly, use your Gmail ID or your username and password if you already open account in TradingView. Then the third step would be go to indicator. Before going to indicator, what you have to do, you have to call us and you have to subscribe to indicator. Once you have subscribed to indicator, then the indicator will be available in the favorite list. So go to the favorite list and just click on the indicator 2.0 once. That's all. So now automatically what will happen? Our lines will be drawn automatically. So now what you have to do? Go to settings, and for Nifty and Indian markets, just keep 360. Okay. So now you have to wait. You have to wait for the market. Whichever side it comes first, that side you have to trade. So I'm selecting this. See here, market has opened here, gap down. So here is our buy entry. Here is our sell entry. If market comes first here, we will be buying. If goes here first, we will be selling. Okay. Then we will be waiting for the target. If SL hit, we will go for the reversal entry with the double lot. So this will be our strategy. It's very simple. In every video, we have been explaining you the same thing. So now since buy got activated, what you have to do? We have to enable the first buy targets. First buy SL. Cancel all other entries. See here, exactly buy activated and exactly all our targets have been hit. Exactly buy activated, exactly target hit in just 2 15 minutes candle. So now after that, what you have to do? Market is reversing exactly from this point. Our trading is over actually. Okay, buy activated, first target itself we will be finishing our trade. If we have taken 3 lot, then we will be trading our stop loss so that we can book the maximum profit. So this is first phase. Second phase would be come to the settings, come here and just select MST other calculation. So here what you have to do, now we have to consider this as the zone. This as the zone. See, already we got the profit. Already we got the profit now. Already we got the profit. And next one, what you can do, go to the next time frame, that will be our day time frame with the MST other calculation. So here this we have to consider as the zone. If market is closing below this level, then further sell trend will continue. If market is not closing below that level, then market will reverse. This is one concept. And another concept would be to identify the reversal. Go here and just keep in weekly time frame. So for weekly time frame, some few points missed. But here is a very good red candle and this is the very good green candle. So we have explained you about the R3C strategy. What is R3C? there will be a rejection of trend. So the before trend will be a bearish trend, and there is a rejection followed by one confirmation. Now we have to mark these two candles high and low. When high of this candle is broken, we have to go for the buy entry with the low of the candle as the stop loss. So this we have been explained to you already. So if you can follow this method. So this is another phase. So basically our trade will be over when our first target hit. If you are having more capital and if you want to trade again, then only you can go for the other trade. So as per today, the condition is here buy got activated, here all targets hit, our trading over. Let us see what happened in the Bank Nifty also. Bank Nifty, I will take the Bank Nifty. In Bank Nifty, what happened? What I will just give a reset button. So I will keep it in 360. If you want, you can keep in day also, no issue. So I will keep in 360. So slightly we have got difference. Okay. So sell got activated here. Immediately SL hit. So after SL hit, immediately second buy activated, target hit. That's all. So you should know when to cut your position when you are in loss. If you are not cutting your position, then you will have to lose your entire capital. So our strategy is clearly defined that if you are in loss, that is SL hit, then immediately how to reverse your position. So that we call it as SRS strategy. What is SRS? Stop and reverse strategy, or SRT strategy. What is SRT? Stop and reverse the trade. Any name you can give. So initially we will be waiting for the buy entry. Buy entry got missed here. See here, buy entry got missed here just by few points. And sell got activated and SL hit, and second buy activated, all the target have been achieved. So the concept is very simple. Let me show you what happened in the crude oil. So this is crude oil, right? So in crude oil, what happened? First sell got activated. I'm enabling the sell targets. Sell side target hit. Sell side almost two targets hit. Then second time sell activated, SL hit. Again buy second buy activated and targets have been hit. Clear? It still is going up. It is going only upside. Again the monthly side sell got activated, SL was safe. Okay, SL was 48. But here we have to consider as the zone only. Only if it is closing above the level, only you have to go for the buy. Otherwise, you have to be in sell only. Okay. Even if you consider this as if you are considering 48 as the SL, then SL is safe. Again, it is given two targets in the second phase also. So this is how we have to trade. It is very simple. So hope it is clear. If you are having any doubts, please feel free to ask us. Thank you all. Bye bye.